recommend. You can probably set Buster. You can put them on here.
Cheer for the Pirates! Let's hear some noise out here, people!
Thank you. Good ball. You're a wild child. You're a mellow one, huh? Their tongue is their finger.
They feel everything.
Everything.
What are you going to let us get away with that? Come on!
Well, the only time they're in a cage is if we're not home and they're not with us.
Sorry.
Four. Otherwise, they're
So the blue and two red.
And do they love each other?
These two get along good. Blue and gold. Not so much.
Strong. Is that a problem? Can I get a picture of you guys together with yours?
Yes, we do. Yeah.
Do you guys have these Scotland?
No, we didn't like those.
You have a good smile for this. Yeah. You want to watch this last
What's the difference? He's just hiding. Really good fun.
Hello.
What did you give, Billy?
I'm not. They're pretending to have a sword fight. They're pretending. They're pretending.
Sorry.
They're pretend just like they perform.
Some people do, but we don't. I don't think
They know what
clamp on you.
I didn't see you coming again. Come on, jumping jack. Come on, jumping jack.
What hurts me will not the pressure is
Give him the chair! Give him the chair!
Whoa.
They all do.
You don't sound very entertaining!
Not for the same reason, though.
Unless your diamond is set in a bezel or a channel, if it's in bronze, it'll be in her mouth before you know it's gone. Yeah, they'll snap it right out there. You guys are amazing.
Yeah, my.
Do all the time.
Oh yeah. This one and that one, they both will tell us with their body language if they gotta go. We take them over to there, or they go, then they come back to us. They're very smart. They have the intellectual of a 2 to 3 year old.
They're over there. Okay, so we're ready to go.
Yeah, let's find some shade.
Something to eat.
That's the other side. See y'all.
Thank you.
Can I get a picture of them? Thank you. I love the blue.
I've always thought so. There are other people who disagree.